The nation continues to be in the shadow of rain clouds, and a monsoon front is in the forecast for tomorrow.
For more details, let's turn to our Michelle Park at the Weather Center. Michelle.
The nation lingers under a very unstable atmosphere in addition to hot temperatures and unbearable humidity. So I advise you to have your umbrellas ready, especially if you are in the southern regions tomorrow, as another monsoon front will soak the area with heavier rain. And Jeju Island will start to receive rain in the afternoon, with the southern provinces expected to get wet by nighttime. And depending on the regions, precipitation could rise up to 30 millimeters of rain per hour. Now, taking a look at the temperature readings for tomorrow, Seoul will begin the morning a degree higher than today, waking up to 23 degrees Celsius under cloudy skies for most parts of the peninsula. And hot and humid weather conditions are in store for tomorrow as well. Now, Seoul's mercury will climb up to 32 degrees, while Busan and Jeju are slightly lower in the high 20s. And the monsoon rain is expected to continue until Friday, and for now, the capital will have cloudy skies with daily highs rising into the low 30s up until this weekend. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.